Each day as you are working, your child spends hours at daycare. You trust they are in good hands, but WPTV found some of the people who are supposed to make sure that happens are not being held accountable. WPTV News Channel 5's Ryan Hughes teamed up with Contact 5 for this.
Oh no! You must never touch a dinosaur with horns upon its head.
Lily Franklin loves reading her dinosaur book with mom and dad.
Ready?
But now this energetic and curious 2-year-old is playing with her pony and reading at home after her parents, Jim and Melissa Franklin, became concerned about her Palm Beach Gardens daycare.
We found out in the case of our daughter's daycare that a routine inspection had not been done in over a year.
According to the county health department, it is in charge of monitoring and inspecting the county's 430 licensed child care facilities at least 2 times a year. But WPTV found that is not always happening.
How are we supposed to feel confident and comfortable knowing that they're in good hands?
The health department admitted to WPTV 39% of licensed child care facilities in Palm Beach County were not inspected at least 2 times in 2019 or 2018. When Jim and Melissa asked the Palm Beach County Health Department why Lily's daycare was not inspected routinely, they were told in an email, quote, "Due to a severe staff shortage, we have been unable to meet this frequency."
At the end of the day, if it's not being looked at properly, then you don't want to drop your kids off in harm's way.
The health department tells us there are 10 inspectors and 5 vacant inspector positions. It went on to say all facilities received an annual inspection. The department is aware of licensed locations that did not receive 2 routine inspections during the years in question and is taking aggressive steps in recruitment to address the associated challenges. The Franklins only uncovered the lack of inspections after filing a complaint last fall about Lily's daycare, Surfside Academy.
I witnessed one of the ladies, who later I found out as one of the cooks, grab my child and forcefully sit her down.
That complaint led to the Palm Beach County Health Department investigating Surfside Academy, finding a staff member admitted she grabbed Lily and she forcefully sat the child down on the carpet. The daycare told WPTV it did not have a comment.
Minnie Mouse? What's Horsey saying? Oh no, they fell!
Jim and Melissa are still searching for a new daycare for Lily, but are hesitant leaving her somewhere that has not been properly inspected.
It's certainly disappointing, and I'd hope that Department of Children and Families and the Health Department will do as much as they can as soon as they can to correct that.
And we have been working on this story for more than a month. When we first started investigating, we noticed the health department website says it is required to inspect daycare facilities 3 times a year. But just within the last 2 hours, the health department claims its own website is incorrect. It went on to say, in part, the recommendation is to conduct 3 inspections annually, but the requirement is 2, and the department goes by 2. You can check your child's daycare right now and see if it is up to date on inspections. Just head to our website, WPTV.com, and click on the Investigations tab. In the studio, Ryan Hughes, WPTV News Channel 5.